and welcome to my presentation on aggressive tendencies. Today, we delve into the intricate topic of aggression and its complexities. It in evolutionary history serves as a mechanism for establishing social hierarchies and safeguarding vital resources such as mates, food, and territory. However, in humans, certain forms of aggression transcend its adaptive function, becoming pathological and posing significant dangers. This pathological aggression not only threatens individuals' lives, but also escalates the risk of developing psychiatric disorders, impacting both victims and witnesses. Furthermore, the economic burden on society stemming from aggressive behaviours is substantial. This emphasises how urgently effective interventions are needed to address and lessen the negative impacts of aggressiveness on both people and society at large. Research in this area has typically trailed behind that on other emotional behaviours, but new developments, especially in preclinical research, clarifying brain circuitry, provide encouraging understandings of the mechanics behind violence. Yet, significant gaps persist in comprehending the intricate interplay of neural processes governing aggression. Addressing these gaps is paramount for developing targeted interventions that consider the multifaceted nature of aggression, integrating aspects such as motivation, impulse control, memory, and hormonal signaling. Emotions play a significant role in shaping temperament and propensity for aggression. Inherited traits can influence an individual's baseline level of aggression, predisposing them to react more strongly to certain stimuli. Biological factors such as brain chemistry, hormone imbalances, neurological conditions can also impact aggression. Imbalances in neurotransmitters like serotonin or dopamine can alter mood regulation, while conditions like traumatic brain injury may lower impulse control, increasing the likelihood of aggressive outbursts. Psychological factors, including traumas, stress, personality traits like impulsivity, or low empathy, can contribute to aggressive behavior. Individuals who have experienced significant trauma may have difficulty regulating their emotions, leading to heightened levels of aggression as a coping mechanism. Environmental triggers such as exposure to violence, unstable family environments, and societal norms also play a crucial role in shaping aggressive behaviors. Children raised in violent households communities may learn aggressive behaviors as a means of survival or as a response to their surrounding. Is instinct theory, also known as the theory of drives or the dual instinct theory, as a foundational concept in psychoanalytic theory. This theory posited that human behavior is primarily driven by two fundamental instincts, the life instincts eros and the death instincts thanatos. Freud's exploration of instinctual drives laid the groundwork for the development of psychoanalytic theory. His conceptualization of the idea, ego, and superego, as well as key concepts like the pleasure principle and reality principle, all stem from his instinct theory. According to Freud, the ID operates on the pleasure principle, seeking immediate gratification of primal desires, while the ego functions on the reality principle, mediating between the ID's impulses and external reality. The superego, on the other hand, represents internalized societal norms and values. Freud's groundbreaking ideas continue to influence psychology and psychotherapy to this day, leaving an indelible mark on the field. Despite criticisms and revisions, his concepts of the unconscious mind, defense mechanisms, and the role of early childhood experiences remain central to modern psychological theory and practice. In conclusion, Freud's instinct theory revolutionized our understanding of human behavior and psychological development, laying the foundation for psychoanalytic theory and leaving a lasting legacy in the field of psychology. His exploration of instinctual drives continues to inspire research, debate, and innovation in the study of a human mind. In particular, sparked a debate between nature versus nurture. The nurture perspective arguing that biological factors play a significant role, while those favoring the nurture perspective emphasize environmental influences. Supporters of the nature perspective contend that aggressive behavior is primarily influenced by biological factors such as genetics, brain structure, and neurochemistry. Genetic predispositions revealed through studies on twins and adoption indicate a hereditary component to violent tendencies. Research on twins and adoption has demonstrated genetic implications on violent behavior, suggesting that genetics contribute to the variation in aggression among individuals. This suggests that certain individuals may have a predisposition for violence due to their genetic makeup. Hormones, particularly testosterone, have also been linked to aggression. Studies have shown correlations between testosterone levels and aggressive behavior, although the relationship is complex and influenced by various contextual factors. Conversely, advocates of the nurture perspective highlight the role of environmental influences in shaping aggressive behavior. Factors such as family dynamics, parenting practices, peer relationships, cultural norms, and immediate exposure all contribute to the nurture perspective. The home environment plays a significant role in the development of aggressive behavior. Children who experience harsh parenting, lack of parental warmth, inconsistent discipline, and parental conflict are more likely to exhibit aggression as adults. Finally, exposure to violence in media, including television, movies, video games, and social media, can desensitize individuals to aggression and normalize violent behavior, contributing to its prevalence in society. In conclusion, both nature and nurture play a significant role in shaping aggressive behavior. Understanding the interplay between biological factors and environmental influences is essential for developing effective interventions to prevent and address aggression in individuals and communities. Propose that humans possess both a life instinct and a death instinct. Death instinct represents a fundamental desire for violence and destruction, which he believes to be the source of hostility in individuals. Freud suggested that aggression may serve as a way for individuals to release pent-up energy similar to other basic drives such as hunger or thirst. Aggression could be expressed as a natural response to internal tension. However, his theory has faced several criticisms for being overly simplistic and lacking empirical evidence regarding human behavior. Crit- Critiques argue that aggression is influenced by a multitude of factors beyond innate drives, including social, environmental, and psychological factors. Despite its flaws, this theory has had a significant impact on the development of psychological theories related to aggression. It served as a foundation for later studies and theories shaping our understanding of aggression and underlying mechanism. Have numerous limitations, largely based on the fact that it was based on hypothetical constructs and case studies rather than empirical evidence. The concept of aggressive and sexual instincts, while influential, lacks robust science validation, raising questions about its reliability and applicability. Theory has its limitations, contemporary perspectives offer a more holistic understanding of aggression by considering the biological, psychological, and social factors. We can develop more effective strategies for research and intervention. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much.